Now, in obtaining an understanding of the entity, its environment, internal control, we've got processes as well there. This is important. This is going to involve calls with the client. This is going to involve walkthroughs where the client is going to say, okay, we received the cash and the cash gets sent to the bank by this person. This person does not interact with this other person because of segregation of duties. And that's how you would see a walkthrough go. And this is an iterative process, meaning it's cumulative, it keeps rolling. Once you accept the audit, and every year you're going to do this, acceptance and continuance. Acceptance means once you accept the initial audit, and then continuance is every year. You audit them every year, presumably, and you still have to assess everything every year. Just because you accepted the audit once, let's say 5 years ago, every of those 5 years, you still need to do audit planning. The auditor must plan the audit so that it is responsive to the assessment of the risk of material misstatement, which we will see significantly in the audit risk lesson, based on the auditor's understanding of the entity and its environment, including its internal control. Yes, this is an ongoing, continuing process that continues each and every year. And as a result of performing planned audit procedures, the auditor may obtain disconfirming evidence that may cause the auditor to revise the overall audit strategy. You may go in thinking one thing, and then you actually dive into the numbers, the analytical procedures, the general understanding of an entity and its environment, and then it completely throws you off. Because let's say you've got a worldwide global event that happens, well, that's going to completely change how you conduct your audit because the business is going to be completely different and their revenues are going to be significantly different, and a lot of different risks come with that. Now, it doesn't have to be a worldwide global event to throw a wrench in your planning, but it could be anything. It could just be a recession. It could be just a change in business. It could be an acquisition. Any of those items would be something that could throw off your normal audit strategy. And even if there has been nothing significant to change how the company, the client is conducting its business, you still have to assess planning every single year.
Hey there! Are you ready to not only pass your CPA exams, but truly understand and enjoy the material while studying? I know it seems impossible, right? Especially to enjoy the material? We'll do it together. Tap into the power of CPA.examprep.ai, where we've got personalized quizzes, multiple choice questions, memorization guides, flashcards, simulations, all tailored to your learning. Our adaptive study planning puts you on the fastest path to success and lifts you back up if you fall behind. Avoid wasting your precious time and money attempting an exam with a low chance of passing, because who wants that? We want to get you through this process as quick as possible. Our exam readiness prediction lets you walk in with confidence, knowing that you're prepared for success on exam day. Thankfully, there's no payment method needed to get started, so why don't you come join us? Visit cpa.examprep.ai and let's achieve your exam success together.